Did you know that the single most dangerous thing you can do as an American is accidentally get injured? Because in the USA, an injury won't give you a fatal biological threat. It will give you a fatal system crash of logic, thanks to the hospital bill. Welcome to the American healthcare glitch, the only major measurement standard of health on Earth that is essentially held together by duct tape and bad engineering. In most countries, an ambulance ride is a basic human right, but in the United States, it is a financial death sentence that costs more than a car. To understand why it's so broken, you have to look at how hospitals invent their prices. They use a secret, chaotic database called the Chargemaster. It is a list of completely fake, inflated numbers that make zero logical sense. They will charge you $50 for a single cheap pill of aspirin. They will charge you for the bed, for the blanket, for the plastic cup, and even for the biological energy of the nurse holding your hand. It is a massive, multi-billion-dollar illusion. So, how does the American apex predator survive this system? They buy health insurance, a subscription service to not go bankrupt. You pay thousands of dollars every year just to hold the shield. But when you actually get injured and try to use it, the insurance company activates a glitch called the deductible, which means you still have to pay the first $5,000 out of your own pocket before the shield even decides to turn on. It is the ultimate sunk cost fallacy. You pay a monthly fee just for the privilege of paying a massive medical bill later. The insurance companies are just middlemen. They deny your treatments, argue with your doctors, and make the rules, all while sitting on mountains of cash, laughing at the math error. While normal humans are forced to rely on GoFundMe to survive, begging strangers on the internet to fund their biology. But wait, the system gets even worse. Let's say you do everything right. You go to an approved hospital. You have your duct tape shield ready. The surgery is a success. But 3 months later, you check your mail, and you receive a surprise bill for $30,000. Why? Because of the ultimate software glitch, the out-of-network doctor. The hospital was covered, the bed was covered, the surgeon was covered, but the guy who walked into the room to put you to sleep, he didn't take your insurance. You were unconscious. You couldn't ask him. But the system does not care about logic. They drop a massive, unpayable financial bomb on your head, leaving you with years of mathematical and psychological stress, all because a piece of paper decided you were in the wrong room. It is like playing a game of Russian roulette every time you get a fever, forcing millions of Americans to make a horrible choice. Do I risk my biology, or do I risk my wallet? In the rest of the world, healthcare works entirely differently. You get sick, you show an ID card. You get fixed, you go home. It's beautiful logic. But America is stuck with this broken, imperial-style system because billions of dollars depend on keeping the glitch active. If they fixed it, the middlemen wouldn't be able to buy their yachts. So instead of fixing the logic pipe, they just keep the American brain in a constant state of panic. We are essentially a society held together by duct tape and GoFundMe pages, dooming the apex predator to fear the simplest biological threats. If you have ever been personally victimized by an American medical bill, prove your biology survived by smashing that like button. Don't let the system crash your logic. Subscribe for more deep dives into the hilarious and broken glitches of our world. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.